Hello and welcome back to English and IELTS Mastery Hub, the podcast that helps you shine. I'm your host, Sophia.
And I'm Leo. It's great to have you with us. Today we have a really practical topic, how to introduce yourself and make small talk.
That's right. First impressions are so important, and knowing the right phrases can help you feel much more confident when meeting new people.
Exactly. And before we start, if you find our episodes helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Okay, let's dive into part 1, formal versus informal introductions. The way you introduce yourself can change depending on the situation.
Right. A formal situation is more professional, like a business meeting or a job interview. You want to be polite and respectful.
In these cases, you can say things like, "Hello, my name is Sophia. It's a pleasure to meet you." Or, "Good morning, I'm Sophia. It's nice to meet you."
Then there are informal situations, which are much more relaxed. Think of a party, meeting a friend of a friend, or joining a new club.
For these, you can be more casual. Try phrases like, "Hi, I'm Sophia. What's your name?" Or just as simple, "Hey, I'm Sophia."
Perfect. Now let's practice. We'll say a phrase and you can repeat it out loud. Ready?
Let's start with formal. Repeat after me. "Hello, my name is Sophia. It's a pleasure to meet you." Good. Now another one. "It's nice to meet you."
Great. Now for informal introductions. Repeat after me. Hi, I'm Leo. And what's your name?
Excellent work. Now on to part 2, asking WH questions to keep the conversation going. After you introduce yourself, you need something to talk about.
The easiest way is to ask simple questions. A very common one is, what do you do? This is another way of asking about someone's job or profession.
You can answer with, "I'm a teacher," or "I work in marketing." If you're a student, you can say, "I'm a student."
Another great question is, where are you from? People often like talking about their hometown or country.
You can answer simply with, "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from Tokyo."
And a third one to find common interest is, what do you like to do in your free time? This is about hobbies.
You might say, "I enjoy reading and hiking," or "I like watching movies." Okay, let's practice these questions. Repeat us.
What do you do?
Where are you from?
What do you like to do in your free time?
You're doing great. Let's move to our third and final part, ending a conversation politely.
This is so important. You don't want to just walk away. A polite ending leaves a good impression.
You can say something positive first, like, "It was nice talking to you," or "It was great to meet you."
Then give a reason for leaving. For example, well, I should get going, or anyway, I have to go now. Let's do a final repeat after us session.
"It was nice talking to you."
Well, I should get going.
Take care.
Fantastic. Let's do a quick final review of the key phrases.
For formal introductions, "Hello, it's a pleasure to meet you." For informal, "Hi, I'm Sophia."
To continue the conversation, ask, what do you do, or where are you from?
And to end it politely, "It was nice talking to you. I should get going."
Now for our listener challenge. This week, we want you to use what you've learned.
Yes, your challenge is to introduce yourself to one new person. It can be at a coffee shop, at school, or at work. Just say hello and ask one question.
You can do it. Remember, every conversation is a chance to practice and improve.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to English and IELTS Mastery Hub.
Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. Keep practicing and keep shining. Until next time.